I built this tiny chicken coop, and now these chicks are living in luxury. I mean, even the roof comes up on this thing. This thing is decked out. Now you might ask yourself, why do chicks need a separate coop from hens? Well, if you don't separate the chicks and the hens will kill the chicks. So to prevent that from happening, I built this coop, and I'm gonna show you how I did that.
The first step to building the roof was measuring it out, so I knew exactly how big to make the frame. The roof of this thing is going to be able to open and close for easy access inside the coop. I made the frame out of 1x3s and I screwed it all together. The frame didn't take me long at all because everything went according to plan, surprisingly. Even this little block fit in perfectly.
I got the frame of the roof all built out. Now I need to see if it can open and close. I don't really know how I'm gonna do this, so for starters, I'm just gonna try putting these hinges on this backboard right here and see what happens. Yes, it actually works the first time without me having to fiddle with it a bunch of times.
I actually didn't have a full sheet of roofing material, so it kind of looked patchy.
I have made this mistake so many times. I thought I was gonna have to just use one scrap, but no, I have to use two.
I wasn't thrilled that I had to use 3 different pieces of roofing material for this one tiny little roof, but it ended up working.
A little wobbly, but it works. So I kind of hacked this thing to pieces, trying to get this door to fit. It opens now, but there's a huge gap because I was pretty stupid.
Yeah, I used the multi-tool a little bit too much.
Well, a piece of trim won't fit here because it collides with this bottom plate. So I'm gonna put this little chunk of roofing right here. It's not my best work, but I can't think of anything else.
I mean, it ended up working halfway decently. After I did that, it was time to screw in a latch. And surprisingly, the latch works the first time without me having to mess around with it.
So the next part for the roof is putting a stick right here so the roof can rest on it. So you can put this up when you're cleaning the coop out.
I was going to attach that stick to the frame by using a large bolt. And I needed to find the right attachment for that bolt so that I could screw it in. And the first attachment that I picked out was the right attachment. Like, I definitely didn't rehearse that beforehand. I kind of hurt my wrist while drilling in the bolt, but it was worth the pain because it ended up working well.
There we go.
I mean, look at how smoothly that thing folds down.
I put the roosting bars in now. It is now time to start the final step of this coop, which is spray foaming these gaps right here. This is some pretty great stuff. Get it? I'm so funny. Oh, there we go. These are some pretty crappy gloves.
I did a really bad job spray foaming, and most of the stuff ended up oozing out the front, so I had to shove the rest of it in with a pencil. Then I had to spray foam the other side of it. I don't know what I was thinking, because I could have just put that bar up, but I decided to climb into the coop, shut myself in there, and spray foam it from the inside.
Okay. Goodbye.
Then I got jump scared because I thought my dad was gonna lock me in the coop.
Please! No! Oh wait, I have a bar there for a reason.
After I remembered that I did have a bar there, I still just didn't even use it. Soon after completing it, my dad got some new chicks. If you enjoy the work that I'm doing and want to support me, remember the best way to do that is by subscribing and liking the video.